Hello, in today's video I want to give you a short review and couple of close-ups of my new telescoping ladder. Hello again. So in today's video I'm gonna be talking about this DEZEX telescoping ladder. The ladder is extendable and of course comes with instructions. For storage of the ladder you have this clip, so to keep it together you can just clip it, you can just grab it, you can easily carry that wherever you want. What I love about it is that you have those special hooks, so if you don't need to use it, then it's going to be flush with whatever you want. But here you have a ability to put a hook for safety, which is, to me, is very important. You have a little hole over here that corresponds with a pin that you can move in and out, so you can lock it, and you can also rotate it 360. So on both sides you have those hooks that you can secure on the top of your ladder. So how do you operate it? Super easy. All you have to do is just pull it up, and then you have segments and you go up and up. Now if you're going to start from the top, the ladder is just going to go and collapse on itself. When you're gonna be opening the ladder, you really have to be careful about two things. Each segment has those red tabs, which when they fall down they allow the segment above to lock. So make sure you're not going to injure your fingers. Now, so if you want only partially open the ladder, so you don't want all the segments, so you start from the bottom and then you open it up and then it locks, and then you open the next one and then it locks. So here's the example. If I want to go and secure the ladder on my railings, I can do this, and I know that my ladder is not going to slip. So now when I'm gonna walk on top of it, I can be sure that the hooks are held to something and my ladder is not going to slip. So this is one of the best features why I love this ladder so much. The bottom is angled, so as you can see, when you put it at the angle, it should give you some stability, although I like to use the hooks. So if you only want to close some segments from the top, all you can do is just push the clips from the top, and this will collapse and the bottom part will stay on. If you want to extend it all the way, you have to put it like this, and then you have to move all the segments until it all is going to extend. Now make sure all the segments are locked, and now this is how tall it is. Now you can see how tall the ladder is. I think it's 16 feet, and my hooks on top actually can grab the edge of my tiles, so I can feel a little bit more secure when I get on the ladder. Now I'm going to show you how to fold it down for entire length. What I'm going to do is just push the side pins, and everything is going to go and fold itself by itself. Then we lock it with this strap, and that's it. All you have to do is just put side pins, and everything collapses to really small, tiny size, so you can keep it in your Soren. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.